I'm going down there in further down in the field, get myself some okra to cook the string bean. So let's walk down to the field, further down in the field, and get some okras off of the tree. Nice okra. That's not bad. So this is all greens. Gonna have this. We'll go further down. That's ready. Might as well take it up. Getting this, the okras. This is a part of the for the joints of your fingers. These are what you use in the joints. That can stay for God. Lovely, beautiful. Good for the joints. You know, it's a healthy plant to eat. You know, with the string bean here and the vegetable, you cut it up and cut up the okra and the string bean together and put garlic and onion inside of it, and you have a nice meal, vegetable meal, you know, no fish, just beautifully. Okay, these ones now, they're bearing out. They already bear a lot, so they're going to the end of their bearing, so that's why you see they look like this. They're going to the end of their bearing now, so later on you have to remove them or they just stay there without away. Okay. When it just start bearing. First fruit. Yeah, first fruit.
So you know in the old ratio.
Well, when they get too old to pick, to eat, you know, okra is a fiber. It have a lot of fiber in it. So when you go like that, that's okay. But when you bend it, if I find myself, when I show you what I mean. All of these are okay, as long as when you go like this and you bend it and you see it, you know, it doesn't break. You know that one is too tough, too hard. Won't give you the juice that you want it. So this is the okra tree. Beautiful. And last but not least, we got melon right here. So this is ready. It's ready. If you leave it again, see it start cracking right there. If you leave it any longer, water is going to spoil it, because this is not the real melon time right now. You get melon because you have it there, and if you notice, they start burning down. They start burning down right now. The weather is on them, the cold weather. Can't take the cold, so they burn down, but the root will still there. When it gets back warm, it will spring again. If the root is not there, here's the root right there. And as you see young spring coming up. Between January coming up now, these will come back up again when the time gets a little bit more less cold. So here I am, a nice melon for the winter. This winter melon. I have one more tree to pick. That's right there. Yep. Most of these okra tree, I don't plant them. I just throw the find the dry one and just throw them all over, and then you will see they get up. So, viewers and subscribers, this is my reaping for today of string bean and okra that I planted before the rain season. So on melon. So this is what I go in the field and I find in the field today. So we I'm running a little bit of trouble here. So standing some hands. Okay, so we finished reaping right now what we can find, all the okra we could get, and finally a melon is ready. So we're moving back to the home with what we find in the farm, and then we call it a day. So this side of the farm we're gonna be working on it soon. Bring it back up. So at least we're getting something from what we plant. Like a nice melon and some nice string bean and some nice okra. So later on,